Welcome to today's 15-minute low-impact, high-intensity beginner kickboxing workout. You don't need any equipment for today's workout, but a set of light weights is optional. For more beginner cardio kickboxing workouts just like this one, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to turn on notifications to be notified when I post new workouts every week. I'm Lauren, and I'm a certified personal trainer and behavior change specialist. Random fact about me: back in either elementary or middle school, I inherited a pair of red leather, like bell-bottom pants and a pair of gold metallic leather pants. If this is your first time doing this workout, leave a comment below. Let me know what a random or fun fact about you is so that I can get to know you a little bit better. All right, we are gonna go ahead and get started with a high knee march. So your feet are about hip distance apart, abs are in tight. You're gonna start with your arms up, and then we're driving one knee up and then the other. If you are just getting warmed up, take it a little bit slower to start, but if not, you can pick up the intensity and go a little bit quicker. So let's just start with a quick march in place. We've got about 15 more seconds here before we get into that first move, and we're gonna stay there for 40 seconds. So go ahead, suck those abs in nice and tight. Bring those arms up. We're going into that high knee march in 3, 2, and 1. So knees up. Bring those hands down to meet your knees. Get your breath going here. Remember, don't hold your breath. And keep it going. We're just about at the halfway mark. And we're not doing any repeats in this 15-minute workout, unless we're kind of, balancing out sides. We'll do one side, even it out on the other. But other than that, no repeats. So 10 more seconds here, and then we're gonna march in place. Last 3, 2, 1, and march in place. Good work. You keep moving. I'm gonna show you our next move. We're doing a squat with a knee driver. Again, feet hip distance apart. Squat down, up, knee, down, up, other knee, okay? Pretty simple. Again, if you're still getting warmed up, go a little bit slower. If not, let's pick up the intensity in 3, 2, and 1. Down and up, down and up. So you wanna inhale as you go down for your squat. Exhale as you come up and bring that knee up. Also, if you hear the sounds of cars whooshing by, clearly I'm in a parking lot, so that's why. We've got 15 more seconds. Down and up. If you need to take it a little bit slower, that's okay. Keep moving. We've got that march in place coming up. And 3, 2, 1, and march in place. Okay, last move before we start getting into some boxing. We're doing alternating overhead reaches. You keep marching, I'm gonna show you. It's up and over, reaching those fingertips up over your head, okay? 40 seconds there. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Up and over. Now, hopefully you're feeling warm by now, so pick up the pace a little bit. So to increase the intensity, bend your knees as you move from side to side. Really extend through those fingertips. We're almost there. 15 more seconds to go. Then we're gonna march in place. You've got it. Bend those knees, suck those abs in tight. Almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March in place. Awesome job. Time to get into some of those punches. We're gonna start with straight punches. Keep moving. I'm gonna show you what we're starting with. So punching straight out. Every time you bring your hand back, you are gonna keep it up right by your face. Keep those abs engaged, okay? Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Out and out. Again, you're punching right out in front of you. Target zone is the face here. And you can play with your speed here. If you wanna go a little quicker, go for it. If you need to go a little bit slower, that's okay too. Just keep moving. When in doubt, punch it out. But I do want you to push yourself. Again, low impact, but that does not mean low intensity. We've got 5 more seconds, and we're gonna march in place. Last 3, 2, 1, march it out. Okay, this time I want you to pick your knees up a little bit higher since we have gotten into our workout, okay? Next up, we're going into uppercuts. You keep marching. Here's the move, up and up. Same pace as those straight punches, but target zone is underneath the chin. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, and go. Up and up. So you're leading with your knuckles here. Again, target zone's right underneath the chin. Bending your knees as you move from side to side. Suck your abs in tight. We are just at the halfway mark here. Keep moving. 15 more seconds. You got it. We've got 10. Keep bending those knees. Almost there, last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March in place. Again, pick those knees up, pump your arms. Next move, we're going into a squat. You're gonna come up and do 2 fast punches. Keep marching, I'll show you. Feet are hip distance apart, a little wider than hip distance. Weight is in your heels. Down, up, 1, 2. Down, 1, 2, okay? In 3, 2, and 1. Down and up, 1, 2. So your punches are super quick. You're using all your power in those 2 punches. Bring those hands right back to your face. You got it. Suck your belly button in tight. Keep that core engaged. We've got 15 more seconds here. Keep your weight in your heels. And if you need to just keep your squats right here, that's okay. Just keep moving. We're almost there, 5 more seconds. We've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do 1 more. And march in place, pick those knees up, good job. Okay, next up, we're gonna come into Orthodox stance, left foot forward, right foot back. We're doing a jab across, lead uppercut, and rear uppercut. Keep moving, here's the move. 1, 2, up, up. Okay, pretty simple. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Jab, cross, up, up. 2 different target zones here. We've got the face with the jab and the cross, and then right under the chin with the uppercuts. Pivot your back foot as you throw those punches with your rear arm. You've got it, suck your abs in tight. We've got 10 more seconds here. Then we're gonna march in place, almost there. Last 4, 3, 2, all the way through, and march in place. Again, knees up. We're not doing that little march we did to start. We're picking the knees up, picking up the intensity. Southpaw, right foot forward, left foot back, same thing as before. Jab, cross, up, and up, okay? Few more seconds to march. We go in 3, 2, and 1. Jab, cross, up, up. Again, pivot that back foot. You're always rotating your hips in the direction that you're punching. Try to find your rhythm here. Again, when in doubt, punch it out, march it out, whatever you need to do until you find your rhythm. We've got 10 more seconds here, almost there. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. March in place, come back to center. Okay, awesome work. Again, knees are coming up, abs are in tight. I'm gonna show you our next move while you're marching in place. We're doing a progression drill. So we're doing 2 punches, 2 knee drivers, bringing that left knee up. Each time you're adding 2 more punches, 2 more knee drivers until you get up to 10, and then you're taking it down 2 at a time, okay? Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. If you lose count, that's okay. Just pick it up. Few more seconds. Finish it all the way through. And march in place. I definitely did 10 twice in a row, but whatever. The most important thing is that you keep moving. Same thing, right knee this time. 2 punches, 2 knee drivers, adding 2 each time until you get up to 10, and then taking it down 2 at a time. Here we go. 1, 2, up, up. 4, 4. Suck your abs in tight as you bring your knee up. Over halfway there. Woo. All this counting is exhausting my brain. I just did 10 in a row, twice again. Almost there. And march in place, good timing. Okay, last few moves here. Next up, we're going into a lateral step, feet together, and then a punch. So arms up, keep marching. Step together, step, cross. Step, step, cross. Stay low in your knees the whole time. We're staying on our toes. In 3, 2, and 1. Step together, step, punch. It's a good thing I have these parking lines here. Otherwise I'd like wander off of the screen. It's a good reminder. Remember, pivot those hips in the direction you're punching. Less than 20 seconds. Suck your belly button in, nice and tight. We're almost there. Light on your toes. 5 more seconds here. 1 more all the way through, and march in place. Good job. Okay, next up, we are going into walking snap kicks with an overhead press. Abs are tight, feet are together. You keep marching, I'll show you. Arms are up, you're doing a kick, walk back, kick, walk it back. It's okay if you want to keep your legs, your kicks low here, okay? 40 seconds, here we go. Walk it back, kick. Again, toes are pointed, arms are staying straight up. If you feel like your arms need to rest, bring them right here, but keep moving. We're just about at the halfway mark. Less than 20 seconds to go. Remember, you can keep your kicks low or high, whatever is a good range of motion for you. Almost there, 5 more seconds. We've got 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way through, and march in place. Good job. All right, last couple of moves here. We're going into 4 straight punches, bringing those feet together, doing a roundhouse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, together, kick, together, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, together, kick, together, and out, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, in, kick, and back. Now for your roundhouse kicks, you're leading with your shoe laces. Your toes are pointed. Your hips are open. Again, listen to your body. Do a good range of motion for you, okay? For you today. Because some days you might be kicking way up high. Other days you might be kicking a little lower. That's okay. Just do what feels right today. We've got a few more seconds. Last time. And march in place. Pick those knees up. Good job. Next up, we are doing a conditioning drill. Starting with your feet wide. In, out, down, up, down, and up. Okay, pretty straightforward. We've got 40 seconds. In 3, 2, and 1. In, out, down, and down. Now you can play with the speed here. You can go a little bit slower, go a little bit faster. And I just want you to reach for the ground. I started to say floor and ground at the same time, and I don't know what came out of my mouth. You can reach for the floor. You can reach for the ground. It's okay if you're not actually touching it. I just want you to reach in that direction. Get your lower body, your quads, your glutes involved here. A few more seconds. Let's do one more all the way through, down and up, and march in place. Okay, we're on to our last move. Come into your Orthodox stance, left foot forward, right foot back. We're doing 2 lead uppercuts, across, and a switch. 2 lead uppercuts, cross, and switch. Okay, last move. Push yourself here in 3, 2, and 1. Up, up, cross, turn. Now that turn is not a rest. You're just turning. So don't fall into the trap of stopping there. Keep moving. Quick turn, 2 lead uppercuts, quick cross, switch. We are over halfway there. Keep it up. Keep those abs tight. I just did something totally off script. No idea what combination I just did. That's okay. Keep moving. Last time. And march in place. Good job. I just moved all the way back. You probably can't even hear me anymore. Okay, awesome job. Grab a sip of water if you need to. And if you liked that workout, you will love my live workout classes. I do them every week. They're less than an hour, open to all fitness levels. Just like this workout, you can do them with minimal space and minimal equipment. So you can find the class schedule on my website, Lauren, Daly, fitness.com, or you can just click the link down in the description. Let's go ahead and cool it down. Give me a couple big deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. One more. All right, nice job. Okay, go ahead and press through those heels side to side. Taking some nice deep breaths, let that heart rate come back down. Hold it over to one side just for a few seconds here, and switch. Now go ahead and bring those feet together. Weight is in your heels, lower it down. Step your left foot back, stretching out that calf muscle. Bring your left foot back in, right foot comes back, lean it down towards your toes. And go ahead and bring it up. Okay, let's do some arm circles to the back of the room, or the back of the earth in this situation. A couple more here. Now go ahead and hold your left arm across your chest. Give it a little pull. Release and switch, other side. Nice little pull. And release. If you're proud of yourself for making it through that workout, give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you find out when I put out new workouts each and every week. Also scroll down to the description for info about my live workout classes, programs, and other freebies. Have an awesome day. I will see you in the next workout.